To check if your robot is working, you actually need to do this simple thing to check if your robot is working, or if you have bought a robot or you've got robot somewhere. So what this is how you do it. First thing, you must come here. You must make sure that here on your left side you have the folder called expect advisors. Then you click here to expand it, and then after expanding it, you will see your robot must appear here. You can see these are my robots. So to check if that robot is working, first you drop it on the chart and say okay, and then allow algo trading, press okay. Then final thing, you must come here on view. On this view, come to as you can see, this one is working, but then I'll disable it. So you come here on insert on view, not insert on view, then press strategy tester. You need to click strategy tester, and then after pressing strategy tester, this thing will appear here at the below. You can see here on this expert, you come and click here. After clicking here, you select the robot that you want to test. So let's say I'll select this one, expert MACD. Then after selecting, you can just double click it, and then you can see everything is here. Symbol EURUSD, you can change symbol the way you want, and then time frame and stuff. But I just want to check if this robot is working. So you will come here and press start. As soon as you press start, the other screen will appear, okay, which will show you if this robot is working or this robot is just standing there doing nothing. Because you can have a robot which is not working. Okay, you can see now this chart is opening the chart. This is the previous information. You can see here on the date is the 4th of January, and then this is called a back test, where the robot will use the previous information to open the trades based on the previous information until today. So you can see this robot opened this trade here. It placed a take profit and a stop loss above. So this shows us that this robot is working. This robot can be able to open trades. Okay, there are some robots which are just standalone. For example, let me cancel this one. I'll show you the standalone. Let me select I'll select the methods here. This robot actually does nothing. So press start and check if this robot will open positions. You can see it does not open anything. The market is moving. So you can even push this thing here to make a maximum. You can see no trade open, nothing. Okay, so this robot is not opening trades. Okay, so if the job of the robot is to write something on the chart, you will be able to see it here. Okay, so this is the previous data of the market. You can see this robot does nothing. Okay, it's not working at all. So another thing that you may need to do, you can see, if you are the programmer, if you are the one who programmed the robot, you will come here and open your robot here on MQL4 and then press compile. If you will have errors here, your robot won't work. Your robot won't be updated if you have errors here. Okay, for example, if I do this, whatever that happens won't be included in the robot because this robot got errors. But there are warnings. Sometimes you will see the warnings, and then with the warnings nothing happens. Okay, the robot will work when you have warnings. Let me change this to double, and then I'll come here and just call it, and yeah, let me do the int and say hello. Okay, let me say 1 is equals to 10. Most likely I'll find warnings here. Warnings, you can see I have warning here. This warning won't stop the robot from working. Unfortunately, the robot may work not based on what you expect it to do. This warning is just saying this robot, there's a possibility that this robot may do 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, but the robot will be updated and it will work. But with errors, it won't work. So the warning simple tells you that it may work but not according to what you may expect it to work. Okay, so most of the time we will avoid warnings, but the error you won't avoid, and then you will come here again and do your test here. Okay guys, give me subscribe, give me a like, and then tell me in the comment below, give me a question that you will want me to answer with the video. Just write anything based on forex. I'll try to make a video specifically for you and then publish it. Right, give me the question below so that I will be able to help you guys. Give me a subscribe and give me a like. Sharp.